GxP is a requirement in life sciences. It's a legal requirement. There's no getting around that. So changes in a system that life sciences uses without proper validation, it's not legal, and it puts patients at risk. That's sort of the starting point. Now, to support GxP and validation processes around for life sciences companies, for software companies, it's a high bar. There's a lot involved in that. There's a tremendous amount of work that goes into making sure that you're compliant and that you can perform the proper validation. And so what ends up happening is there's not a lot of companies that can do that. I actually worked at a company years ago that had just a few life science companies as customers, and the majority of their customers were different industries. And the auditing that was required for those few customers was just brutal. They couldn't really support it properly. The customers weren't happy. The company wasn't happy. It just wasn't a good fit. So, software companies that support the life sciences industries need to have it sort of in their fabric. The GxP, the validation, that just has to be in the very nature of how they develop, maintain, release, and deploy their software. If they don't have that in their fabric, they're just not going to be successful. So if you want to be, enterprise class or industrial strength and work in the life science industry, you've got to have all those processes in place and know how to work with your customers, go through the audits, make sure they're comfortable with how you're managing your product, your data, and your processes.